Sending proposals in multiple languages doesn't have to be complicated, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few easy steps. Stick around because I'll be giving you a quick tutorial on how to send professional proposals in any language without spending hours translating each one manually. First off, let me share a secret with you. I've tested all the most popular software out there for sending multilingual proposals, and I found one that stands out. I'll show you exactly how to use it, and if you stick with me until the end, I've got an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel, Danthone. Now, let's dive in. The software we'll be using today allows you to create, manage, and send proposals in multiple languages, all while keeping the formatting intact and making sure your message comes across clearly. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Choose your software. There are a lot of options out there, but the software we'll be using today is simple, intuitive, and does the job with ease. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be able to set up your account and language preferences. Step 2. Create your proposal. Whether you're starting from scratch or using a template, this software allows you to quickly add your content. The cool part? You can toggle between different languages without losing the integrity of your design or content. Step 3. Translate your content. This software integrates with translation tools, so you can instantly translate your proposal into the language you need. The translations are done automatically, and you can always make quick tweaks if necessary. No more copying and pasting from Google Translate. Step 4. Review and adjust. After the translation is done, make sure you review the proposal to ensure everything looks right. You don't want any awkward phrases or misinterpretations. The software lets you preview each version in different languages, so you can easily spot any mistakes before you send it out. Step 5. Send your proposal. Once you're happy with your multilingual proposal, it's time to send it. The software will allow you to send the proposal directly to your client via email or download it as a PDF, ready to be printed or shared online. And there you go. You've now learned how to send proposals in multiple languages with ease. If you want to follow along, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Key takeaway. With the right software, sending proposals in multiple languages is as easy as a few clicks. Use the translation feature, review your content, and send it off without worrying about lost formatting or bad translations. Just a quick reminder, don't miss out on that exclusive free trial. It's only available to my viewers, and it'll help you get started with sending multilingual proposals the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.